DJI, as you guys must know from the Phantom, Mavic, Spark, Pocket. I'm very excited for this product because this time it is the one and only DJI Osmo Action. This video will also be going on PC Max, so thank you very much for sending out the DJI Osmo Action. And this review is pretty much me testing out as a normal average consumer. Now, I don't skydive yet. I don't have a Jeep that goes around the Maliha Desert. I'm a normal guy, but if I want some action camera, what do? Now, there are two things for action camera. Number one is the DJI Osmo Action, and number two is the GoPro King of Action Adventure cameras. That's the box itself. At the back, it's pretty much, I don't know if you can see it, it's a box. I mean, what do you expect? So quick in the box stuff. You have the key thing. That is a key thing. I'm gonna keep this here. USB-C cable. USB-C, not bad, good move. The mount, this is very important that they had a mount. Poison, so that if you don't like the footage, you can just kill yourself. Boxy thingy, which doesn't have a battery, but usually does have a battery because I put that in the Osmo Action now. For which you need, last and not the least, we have Osmo Action. Now, first feeling, super GoPro, right? So if you look at this, it comes in the same shell kind of thing that goes on. So if you just, come on, drops out right here, very rubbery, feely kind of thing going on. The case basically has the ability to mount. So if you forget the case, you're pretty much screwed. Hold it like a tripod. Anyway, this is the camera, right? The big impact that you suddenly get is that front screen. Now that front screen right here, as you can see, is nice. I mean, if you want to go into the world of seeing yourself, how pretty you look while recording a vlog, the way I'm looking at myself, then it's good. This is one slot right here on the side that pretty much opens up to the USB-C and the micro SD card. Good. Then we have the battery holder thing. I don't know why it is so tight. I don't want to break it. So hear it? I think you heard it. It's just bonkers to know they fit a 1.5-inch HD screen on the front and a 2.5-inch HD screen on the back. So you can see yourself being recorded if you're into that kind of thing. Also, it has a touchy-feely screen at the back, letting you go pro with navigating those menus. Get it? No? Okay. I have heard double tapping that US button or holding it does a you hear that? Do a and the thing basically goes from the front, no, from the back to the front. DJI sound. Tap, tap. You heard that? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is, this is a test of the lights and everything. I'm gonna record myself here. And I have started recording 4K 60. So let's see how this goes. Hey guys, I'm recording myself on this DJI Osmo Action, and you can see the setup out here. We got lights and I'm brown. I should not have taken this into account. I have some random script in front of me, and the stabilization is pretty cool. Well, more of that later. But yeah, that's pretty much the lighting there is. So all that stuff is cool. I mean, the first thing that comes in your mind is this a GoPro? You can say it pretty much is, but then again, it's not. See, the whole point of buying a DJI product is that you have that universal thing going on, right? You're fitting your footage into the whole Mavic and the Phantom and all those other cine-like camera formats thingy. They all look the same. So you can fly a drone, come back to the ground, use this. Now, to review this product, I went out to La Mer, Dubai. Should have chosen a better place? No, because La Mer has everything. That means we're going towards La Mer. Let's go. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm trying to record it as natural as possible. The Turkish Action guy over here is pretty cool. So I'm seeing the front camera view, but there's a lot of wind, there's a lot of natural noise going on. Something that we want to test is how is the Rocksteady performing. Now if you look at the horizon line at the back, it should be straight. Recording yourself like this. I'm just holding the Osmo Action from the stem and I'm recording this review / let's see what's going on. Yeah, but here's the thing. The more I'm trying to record, I'm looking at myself in the tiny screen, the 1.5 HD screen, and I'm not looking at the audience. I want to look at you guys, right? So that's I think, in my way, it's a good thing and a bad thing, right? So oh, it went to sleep. Okay, shit. Now I can't see myself. Maybe it's something in the settings that I have to do. I don't know. There's a small lag, by the way. I can see myself. I'm doing this 1 second later. So there's still a lag. Probably if an action camera, it shouldn't have that lag. Apart from that, I think this is a low light setting. Well, golden hour setting. And my hand is aching because of, it's not heavy. It's just holding it like a tripod. Like, your hand is not meant to do that. This is a very normal voice if you don't have like a monopod or a tripod or some sort of pod. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna test out how it is with running, right? So it's kind of a crowd place to do this, but yeah, sure, why not? Let's see how it goes. Yeah. This is low light test plus this is also the internal mic test. Now the mics are literally in front of me. Makes sense because there is obviously a screen in front of me, so makes sense. So this is the audio at a very normal level, including the noise. Internal mic test 1 2 1 2. This is a good place, and yeah, it's got fidelity. It's pretty dark here. I won't say it's well lit. It's pretty dark here. It's 4K 60 that we're shooting on. You can't see me at all. That's the whole point. But the good thing is, like, I'm coming to kind of a light source. So there you go. And here I am, right? So there you go. So to check out the Rocksteady feature, you can go skydiving, you can go, I don't know, Malaya desert dune bashing and stuff like this. But then again, a normal consumer will not do that. To check the Rocksteady feature, we have come down to the one and only awesome place that almost all of us have in Sharjah, not in Dubai. Akacha, right? So you all want to go to Akacha? Let's go. Let's test out the Rocksteady feature in some kacha bashing. This was the Rocksteady test video. I mean, I don't usually do anything that's super awesome and adventurous to test out the Rocksteady like its true full potential. I think this was the potential. It is important to note that this camera was mounted on my sunroof, but that does mean it can dampen out a couple of things. And this is how the sunlight shot looks. Now, it's pretty sunny right now, but before that it was pretty rainy. So I'm gonna make sure that the stabilization shot is pretty good. So I'm gonna walk through. There's like hard sunlight on my face. So this is the as bright, as sunny, as watery, as greeny, as bluey as you can see. I can't open my eyes, literally the sun is so anyway, let's turn this around. Back from La Mer. Now, seeing the footage back at La Mer, this pretty much comes down to, do you want to buy this, right? If you just want to shoot good old actiony stuff, by actiony I pretty much mean like going to Kudra or I know, going to Kudra or I don't know, Jabal Jais or mounting this on your car and trying to record you coming back of Jabal Hafid or something. Sure. If you want to go to the water park, water resistant already, sure. But if you want something more, the GoPro Hero 8, the Hyper Smooth is pretty good. I mean, just compare the footage. I'll just take this footage right here. Look at this. You can clearly see DJI Osmo Action is doing and how the GoPro Hero 8 is doing. I mean, look at that. It's like out of the world software. It's all software. I'm not saying this one is bad. I'm just saying this one is good, but not as good as the GoPro Hero 8. that's how it's competing, right? I mean, when they were releasing, they knew that GoPro Hero 8 will be out. They're gonna take some market share back from the people. In my opinion, if you really don't care about like having the best in the industry stabilization thing, and you want your face to be spot on horizon level, I just literally, can we see that in slow motion? If you just want a normal camera that does the job and fits your DJI family, then go ahead. Great camera. Mounting, sure, you'll need the cage. Don't forget the cage. I forgot it's not locked. In the end, you're paying almost the same price as competition. You want the best thing, don't you? Wait, you know what? I'll finish the video while recording it from the Osmo Action. If you want this camera for that vlogging second screen that I'm looking at right now, get it. GoPro Hero 8 does not have that screen. But keeping that in mind, this is not the most steadiest Rocksteady in the market. So if you sacrifice your Rocksteady versus Hypersmooth of the GoPro, sure. If you want that second screen that the GoPro doesn't have, this one is to buy. And that's how I end it.